Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a secret fishing zone in the laboratory at Kohana Island in Fish It game of Roblox Crystal Depths Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the Kohana Island and then you need to find this laboratory. It's right here. And then just enter the laboratory. Then you can fish here. And you need to fish in the laboratory to complete the quest from Bill and Pale, which is the rumor quest. If you are curious about the quest, you can watch my previous video. I've already explained the quest details in my previous video. Okay, after you arrive here, you can equip your rod and cast your rod just like this. And yeah, you can do fishing here, guys. Let's try again. Okay, perfect. Okay guys, and that's all about the new secret fishing spot in the laboratory at the Kohana Island in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.